Welcome to English Trail.
Hello everyone, I am Sophie and welcome to day 19 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. You are still here. That already shows real commitment. Many people start learning English with excitement, but only a few continue day after day. You are one of those people. Today we are going to practice real English that you can use in daily life. We will focus on clear sentences, natural conversations, and useful situations. Speak with me. Repeat the sentences out loud. Do not just listen. Today we will cover 5 main parts. First, we will practice talking about your progress and daily habits. Second, we will practice asking for help and clarification. Third, we will do a cooking class situation. Fourth, we will practice a networking conversation. And finally, we will review strong, useful phrases. Let's begin with simple but powerful sentences about progress. Many learners feel that their English is not improving fast enough. But improvement is often quiet. It happens little by little. So I want you to practice these sentences with me. Say this: my English is getting better little by little. Again, I have been practicing every day. And this one: I still make mistakes, but I am improving. These sentences are important because they help you speak honestly about your journey. Now try this longer one. I know I make mistakes sometimes, but I believe that is how I get better. When you say this sentence with confidence, you stop feeling ashamed of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Now let's move to asking for help. This is one of the most useful skills in English. When someone speaks too fast, you can say, "Could you please speak more slowly?" If you did not understand, say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that?" Or this more natural sentence, "I didn't quite catch that. Could you say it again?" These phrases are polite and clear. Practice them until they feel easy. Now we will practice a real-life situation, a cooking class. Imagine you have joined a cooking class for the first time. The instructor is explaining the steps, and you need to ask questions. You can start with, "Excuse me, what is the first thing we should do?" If you cannot find something, say, "I don't see the basil. Where can I find it?" When you need to know the amount, ask, "How much olive oil should I use?" If you do not understand a word, say, "What does medium heat mean exactly?" And when you want to show a positive attitude, say, "Okay, I understand. I'll try my best." These 5 sentences can help you in any learning situation, not only cooking. You can use them in a classroom, a workshop, or even an online course. Now let's move to the second situation, a networking event. Networking means meeting professional people and making useful connections. Many learners feel nervous in this situation. Today, we will make it simple. When you meet someone, you can say, "Hello, my name is Alex. It's a pleasure to meet you." If someone asks why you are there, you can answer, "I'm here to meet new people and learn about different industries." When talking about your work, you can say, "I've been working in this field for about 3 years." To show a positive attitude, say, "I'm always learning new things." And when the conversation ends, you can say, "It was really great talking with you. I hope we stay in touch." These sentences sound professional and natural. Practice them slowly first, then try to say them more smoothly. Now let's do a short listen and repeat practice. I will say the sentence and you should repeat it out loud. First, could you please explain that one more time? Second, it was a pleasure meeting you today. Third, I've been working hard and I can see the progress. Fourth, I'm always looking for ways to improve myself. Fifth, let me make sure I understand correctly. Say each sentence 2 or 3 times. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Now let's look at a few useful words from today's lesson. The first word is ingredient. An ingredient is something you use to make food. For example, we need all the ingredients before we start cooking. The second word is collaborate. It means to work together with someone. Example, we decided to collaborate on this project. The third word is clarify. It means to make something clearer. Example, could you clarify what you mean? The fourth word is impression. We often say, make a good impression. Example, I want to make a good impression at the meeting. The fifth word is networking. It means building professional relationships. Example, she found her new job through networking. Try to make your own short sentences with these words later today. Before we finish, I want to give you 3 simple speaking tips. First, practice English in real situations. Do not only study word lists. Imagine yourself in a cooking class or at a networking event and speak the sentences out loud. Second, do not just repeat words. Try to feel the meaning. When you say, "It was a pleasure meeting you," say it with real warmth. Third, celebrate small progress. Every time you say a sentence correctly, notice it. Small wins build confidence. Today you practiced talking about your progress, asking for clarification, speaking in a cooking class, and handling a networking conversation. You also learned useful vocabulary and strong phrases. You are on day 19. That means you have already completed more than half of this challenge. Keep going. Consistency is more important than perfection. Now, I want you to do one small action. Choose 3 sentences from today's lesson and say them out loud right now. Do not wait. If this episode helped you, subscribe so you do not miss day 20. Rewatch this lesson if you want extra practice. And leave a comment with one sentence you learned today. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep speaking, keep improving. I will see you tomorrow for day 20. Take care and keep going.